On that video here, we're gonna see the other resources that we got on technical documents. Last video we viewed how the can issue review of documents, and here we're gonna understand extra features. Then let's go to the folder and go over here. We got some tools here. One tool that we call electronic data document transmission here. This feature is the key feature here is send documents from people who not had access to the system. So you got here a form that we can, why we send the documents. You can set up. You can even set up internal user, but we can put emails here from. Anyway, you choose documents here from, for instance, for analysis, appear documents. If we see for approve it, the documents we choose here. You can filter by file, by title, by description. And just want to see the PDF, so I'm gonna send these two documents here. And that's it. We just send the email with the link for the users. So the user will access the documents without the need to enter in the system. That's the content of the email. I got an expiration. It's going to expire on 21 November. And anyway, anytime. If we want to expire before that, we just go here and transition to cancel it. So it's already expired. So it's easy. That's how we track what we call electronic data transmission is that. So we don't have to download the files from our computer and send from another way. So it's easy, and no matter how big is the file, we can able to send it. It's nice. Technical review is a tool that in order to send one document, to ask for technical reviews for several documents at one time. So I want a technical opinion. Anyway, I send some comments. I want who I want to notify. Put a deadline here. Anyway, the same thing. I can choose what I want to send. And we send it. The beauty of technical review is we got a connection. So here, so that's the form of the technical review. So here I ask for the 020 R00. Once if we go here, R00. I got technical review here, so we got a full connected. So it's quite nice. This feature also. The validations already speak about that. The workflow we already use it. We got some settings here, explain how we do the validation. So here, all the drawings that are on the spreadsheet, the already issues are with green tick here. We can do the research here, and also all the specification that the rules that we configured got here also. If you want to know about the workflow, already got some information about workflow, all the states, the physical progress from planning from each one of that, and who the sense of reading, edition, exclusion. If I just put the mouse and explain, show me who is the user, so we're able to understand the permissions. And we got reports. We already do the file reports, and we got the workflow reports also. It's quite simple, so I can dynamic. I want just one document approve it. I got this document for analysis. I want by the time. I want also the planning documents, the expected documents that are not issued yet. So it's quite, or you can print or export a CVS file. So really easy. So basically that's the tools that we got here on the drawing-ish files. We can here really easy. For instance, let's see that I can. Here most of them are the same, but if I'm going to do this. Put that this. I just put the name that's 01, so 01. Put that. So if I take that, cancel, put all again, and I can put another kind of filters. Filter like, for instance, like I'm gonna managing filter here. I can set up a filter like then add a new filter. It's really nice because you can create several filters and you can create a filter with less folders. So I just want to prove it. So I'm going to check the workflow. I guess that's it. I just want to prove it. So just create one. Got here, prove it. P is for me, it's personal one. So just approve one. So you can consolidate. So if you can put several filters and can create your own filters. Also, you can create global filters for every use. So it's a little bit what we got here on folder level. So that's a little bit what we got here. If you go to the worksite area, we got here another reports. So we got some reports about oh, sorry about that, no good. We got some graphics here, so nice, and every day in each state, percent of by workflow, some nice statics here. The same thing, the planning, that refers to the same, and we can do the workflow here, understand which folder, what is workflow, and what's the permissions, and what is the workflow in each permission. So you got an overview what's going on the area, as I'm a coordinator, of course. So that's the last video about technical documents, and give a good, nice idea how it works. The next series of videos, we're going to talk about general documents. That's quite simple compared to technical documents, but it's quite powerful also. Thank you.